How does Shopify work in South Africa? If a South African, you can use Shopify for your e-commerce store, for your drop shipping store, guys. Okay. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. I'm gonna show you how to use Shopify the right way. But first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Now let's talk about how you can able to add your own products here on Shopify or add your own store. What you can do, let's say that you already have a store, you can just click here to the import. You can also import that store here on Shopify. It's going to import it automatically on Shopify. Now let me show you how to add your own Shopify products, guys. It's so simple. Do not complicate this stuff. You go to title, then under title you have to write the product title that the store that you want to sell. Okay, it can be short sleeve t-shirt for women, short sleeve t-shirt for kids, short sleeve t-shirt for men. All of the stuff, you can do it, guys. Okay, then you can go to description. This is whereby that you can write the product description that you want to sell. But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify. All you have to do, just put these keywords here, guys. Okay, put any keywords for the product that you want to sell. This AI tool is gonna write product description for you automatically. It's so easy. As you can see, in just a few seconds, this AI tool, it is done writing for me product description. Then all you have to do, go after that, you go to media. Under media, you have to select the images of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. You're going to select them. You have to save them on a laptop or on a PC. Then you're going to go to categories. Under categories, you have to choose which category does your product falls under, which category here. As you can see, there are so many categories. If you're selling a product rated on pet, you're going to choose a pet category, guys. You get the idea. Then you go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price of the product that you are selling, meaning this is the price that your customers are willing to buy the product from you, Then you're going to go to cost per item. And the cost per item, it means that how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier. Maybe using AliExpress, is going to be showing you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making. Look at this, going to earn 48% margins. Okay, that's how you can do to add your own products here on Shopify. It is so easy. Even a 10-year-old can do it, guys. Okay, then when you are done, you're going to go to that yellow button. You're going to save there, guys. This is how you can save your own Shopify products here. Okay, then you can also go to collections. Under collections, you can see how many collections that you have. But for me, I already have one. You can also create a new collections on Shopify. Now let's go to customers. Under customers, you can see how many customers that you have. You can see the details here, the countries and stuff like that, and also the customers who purchased from me in the past. You can check them here. Then you can go to analytics. Under analytics on Shopify, it allows you to track on how your store it is performing, like how many sales you got, like how many sales you got yesterday, how many total sales you got today in the last month. You can do some filters here. You can customize it the way that you want. Okay, you can also check the online store sessions. And the online store sessions is going to show you like how many visitors that you have in your store right now. Then you can also check the total orders, the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on Shopify, you can check them here. And also you can also check the sales attributed to marketing and also the returning customer rate, guys. If your customers are returning in your store, you can check them here, all of those stuff. Then you can go to marketing. Under marketing, this is whereby that you can do email marketing on Shopify. You can sell your products via emails to customers who went through on a checkout in your Shopify store but they never purchased. You can send email follow-ups. Not only that, you can also offer some discounts. You can offer 25% off discounts, especially on holidays, on Black Friday, so that you can get more orders in your Shopify store. Not only that, you can also go to online store. Under online store on Shopify, you can able to get all of this done for you. Stores on Shopify, guys. Okay, if you're in a beauty niche, clothing niche, you can take a look at this done for you stores, this done for you themes that you can have, that you can use in your Shopify, guys. Okay, you can just add them here. It's going to be added straight into your Shopify